Assalam Alaikum.
Wa Alaikum Salam wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. How are you, Maida?
I'm good.
Mm, okay, are you feeling good now?
Yeah, I'm feeling better.
Oh, what happened to you yesterday?
I got a bit sick.
Oh, right. Okay, is your health good now?
Yeah,
Good, mashallah. Okay, good. Okay, should we start now if you're ready?
yeah,
Okay, would you read the previous lesson once?
sure.
Okay, Bismillah, read Bismillah, then start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Should I start from the very top or from the box?
From the boxes.
Sheen, double fatha, shan, sheen, double kasra, sha, sheen, sheen, double damra, deem,
Huh?
shan,
What did you say, Sheen double Dhamma?
sheen, double damra, shun,
Shun, yes,
shan, sheen, sun,
well done. Next.
Jim,
Mm.
double fatha, Jim, double fatha, Jan,
Mm.
Jeen, double kasra, Jeen, Jeen, double dhamma, Jun, Jan, Jeen, Jun, Kaf, double fatha, Kan, Kaf, double kasra, Keen, no, not Keen.
Yes, King.
Oh yeah, Keen. Ka, double dhamma, Kun, Kan, Keen, Kun, um, what letter is that?
Yes, the same sound with heavy voice.
Cough,
Yes, exactly.
cough, double fatha, cough,
Huh?
kaf,
Qaf double
kaf,
fatha what?
cough, double fatha, kaf,
No. What is the tanween sound?
kan,
Yes, Qan.
kun, cough, double kasra, queen, cough,
Mm.
double dhamma, kun, kan, kin, kun,
Yes.
ka, double, ka, double fatha, kan, ka, double dhamma, kun, kin, ka,
Khin. Yes.
double
Kha.
ka, double dhamma, kun, kan, kin, kun,
Yes, well done.
gain, double fatha, gan, gain, double kasra, gin, gain, double dhamma, gun, gan, gin, gun,
Well done, Maida. Good. Okay, let's continue.
ha, double
Let's do it together.
fatha,
Let's do
pardon?
it together, okay?
Okay.
After me, yes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ha double fatha han.
Ha, double fatha, han,
Ha double kasra hin.
ha, double kasra, hin,
Ha double dhamma hun.
ha, double dhamma, hun,
Han hin hun.
han, hin, hun,
Once again, ha double fatha, han,
ha double fatha, han,
ha double kasra, hin,
ha double kasra, hin,
ha double dhamma, hun,
ha double dhamma, hun,
han, hin, hun.
han, hin, hun,
Yes, well done. Next. Ain double fatha, an,
ain double fatha, an,
ain double kasra, in,
ain double kasra, in,
ain double dhamma, un,
ain double dhamma, run,
un,
un,
an, in, un.
an, in, un,
Yes, once again. Ain double fatha, an,
ain double fatha, an,
ain double kasra, in,
ain double kasra, in,
ain double dhamma, un,
ain double dhamma, un,
an, in, un.
an, in, un,
Yes, from the start now. Again. Ha double fatha, han,
ha double fatha, han,
ha double kasra, hin,
ha double kasra, hin,
ha double dhamma, hun,
ha double dhamma, hun,
han, hin, hun.
han, hin, hun,
Yes, next. Ain double fatha, an.
ain double fatha, an,
Well done. Ain double kasra, in,
ain double kasra, in,
ain double dhamma, un,
ain double dhamma, un,
an, in, un.
an, in,
Yes, Maida. I
an,
yes, I couldn't hear you. Say it again.
an, in, un,
Well done. Good. Okay, look at the next word. Next letter. Ha. Ha double fatha, han.
ha double fatha, han,
Don't say this is the another other one. Ha ha. This one. Han.
han,
Yes, you have to differentiate between this ha and this ha. Okay? They're different.
okay.
Yes. This one ha, this is ha. So ha double fatha, han.
Ha double fatha, han,
Ha double kasra, hin.
ha double kasra, hin,
Ha double dhamma, hun.
ha double dhamma, hun,
Han, hin, hun.
han, hin, hun,
Once again. Ha double fatha, han.
ha double fatha, han,
Ha double kasra, hin.
ha double kasra, hin,
Ha double dhamma, hun.
ha double dhamma, hun,
Han, hin, hun.
han, hin, hun,
Yes, good. Next letter. Hamza. Hamza double fatha, an.
hamza double fatha, han,
No, don't say han. This gives the sound a, right?
han,
Yes, alif sound. An,
an,
yes. Hamza double kasra, in.
hamza double kasra, in,
Hamza double dhamma, un.
hamza double dhamma, un,
An, in, un.
an, in, un,
Once again. همزة double فتحة أن.
Hamza double fatha an.
همزة double كسرة إن.
Hamza double kasra in.
همزة double ضمة أن.
Hamza double dhamma un.
أن إن أن.
An in un.
Yes, mother. Let's revise once again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. ح double فتحة حن.
Ha double fatha han.
ح double كسرة حن.
Ha double kasra hin.
ح double ضمة حن.
Ha double dhamma hun.
حن حن حن.
Han hin hun.
Yes. عين double فتحة عن.
Ain double fatha han.
عين double كسرة عن.
Ain double kasra in.
عين double ضمة عن.
Ain double dhamma un.
عن عن عن.
An in un.
Yes, next letter. ها double فتحة هن.
Ha double fatha han.
ها double كسرة هن.
Ha double kasra hin.
ها double ضمة هن.
Ha double dhamma hun.
هن هن هن.
Han hin hun.
Yes, next letter. همزة double فتحة أن.
Hamza double fatha an.
همزة double كسرة إن.
Hamza double kasra in.
همزة double ضمة أن.
Hamza double dhamma un.
أن إن أن.
Han in un.
أن إن أن.
An in un.
Yes, just continue.
Okay.
All right. Mhm. Okay. Is anything remaining from the lesson we were revising from?
No, we finished it.
We finished there. All right. I think this lesson is ending here. There is another new lesson after this.
Okay.
Yes, this one. I think we should start this tomorrow, not now.
Okay.
But we have still 15 minutes. What will we do now in 15 minutes then?
Um.
All right, it's okay. Just practice those letters which we learn now.
Okay.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Yes, do as much as you can. We need to make
Okay.
our reading fluent. This needs practice.
Okay.
Right, okay. Okay, I'm ending the meeting. So, Mahira, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you can call her now then. Okay, Maida.
Okay.
Okay, see you next time. Have a good, lovely weekend.
You
Assalamu
too.
alaikum. Fi manillah.
Alaikum salam.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.